What's up everyone, Mia Pastera here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you all of my soft and slow squishies. So I do have a shout out and that comes right here. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Musical.ly and follow me on Snapchat. So let's get started with the video. So the first one I have is this chocolate heart. I have this cat. I have pancakes. I have a cupcake. I have an ice cream. I have this red velvet cake. I have this peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Oh, it's falling. Yeah. Then I have this spooky cupcake. Then I have this dog. I have this pie. And then, lastly, is this cake. This one's so slurrizing. And guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to watch my videos on YouTube. Love you so much. Bye!